Okay. Okay, so yeah, sure. We have this ugly shed, and it didn't have a door on it, so we hung a tarp, and it looked so gross. It got all dusty and yucky, and so I found these pallets behind our house, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 of them. And so this is what I did. I need to know if you think it's ghetto or ingenious. Let me flip it. Okay, so I took the pallets and I bought hinges. Okay, which you really don't need hinges, but that way they can open. Someone's yelling at me out there. What? Okay, hold on. So I took, okay, and then I had boxes of like that wood flooring. So I put little tiny screws, nails, and I nailed them up here. So when I'm done, they will all look like this. And hopefully it will look more like a barn door. We'll see.